Hello guys, do you also dream of going to Japan like me? If that's the case, I want you to come with me and walk around Tokyo, Japan. This is in Shibuya district and I'm gonna walk all the way to the famous Shibuya Crossing. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. Shibuya. Shibuya? Shibuya. Whatever guys, but you know what I mean. So come on, walk with me. Would you look at that? I am here. I was just seeing this place in movies before, and now I am right here. Walking around Tokyo was really fun, and by doing that, you will see the real beauty of Japan. Alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can see you next vlog.